Dear nature, I have always loved the unknowns of you, but can we ever truly be together? Yours, John.
Dear nature, it's been a while, but I feel moved to say how sorry I am that our relationship has become so problematic in recent times. It seems us humans have been affecting your effects for many years now. I think we always wanted to control your wonder to our benefit. But to realise the agents of such control may lead to our extinction has confused and unsettled our relationship with you. What to do? Yours, John.
Dear nature, we have been lovers. We made deities from your wonders. We worshipped you, laid our fears at your feet. We thought that we needed you to need us, but wasn't that just some way of seeking control? Maybe we find it hard to accept that you are the most powerful and complex set of relationships we can encounter. Perhaps we got jealous of all your other affairs. In our rush to evolve, with our fights and flights, we've got lost amongst our own conceits, spinning such a terrible storm. I'm sorry. What to do? Yours, John.
Dear nature, in the beginning farming was our evolutionary way. It fed us. We learned how to work your soils and follow your seasons. We tried so hard to acknowledge your amazing ways. Ritual after ritual constructed to try to guarantee your consistency, a courtship of a kind, even love of a sort. But love dulls. We slowly forgot you in our fewer to move on. So many clearing so much damage. Our conceit has been our desire for you to need us, to rule over you. When such a desire seems to be reproached, it troubles our self-esteem, an unrequited desire. All along, we so wanted you to need us. Perhaps we could not bear the thought that we needed you, but you didn't need us. We want to be loved. Yours, John.
Dear nature, in truth, we slowly ignored you as our need for something greater than ourselves evolved the narratives and rituals of our religions. We could only find some sort of trust in reflections of ourselves. But these are going now, and we're left in the strangest nihilism without purpose and feeling, disconnected. If only we had understood that you were greater than we are. I think we needed to be needed for something, but forgot where we were. Yours, trying to navigate our relationship, John.
Dear nature, God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it, rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky and over every living creature that moves on the ground." This is my guilt and worry. We have filled the earth, we have subdued it, we do rule over it. What is the cost to ourselves of subduing all that we seem to encounter? Yours is a vast history, ours is a blink in that history. Perhaps that's where the hope lies in our geological youth. We are young and still learning. I'm sorry. Yours, John.
Dear God, I have been writing to nature. Forgive my bluntness, but do your teachings help us to form a relationship with nature, or are they simply about us? I am perplexed with the sentiments of rule and subdue that is talked of in your scripture. Isn't this unhelpful? Yours, John.